Hello Selldoners. Today I'm going to show you how to make the login with Google on your store fully white label. To do that, you need to create a client ID and client secret using Google Cloud Platform. Uh, Simply, let's search on the Google how to create OAuth 2 login by Google. Simply search this one and open the first page. You can follow the instructions step by step. The first step is to going to Google Cloud Platform console, and then you need to create a project. I already created, I think, the project here, or you can simply create a new project. The name, it is not very important. My life store. Okay, the next step is from left side. Let's wait. Okay, from here you can click on API and services, or from here. Next step is to doing some setting on OAuth consent screen. Let's do that together. From here, select external, then create app name, life mode, user support email, app logo. You can upload your logo here. Example, this one. Here, if you have a home page or you want to put your privacy policy link, terms of service link, you can put those links here that will be shown on the sign in with Google tab. Simply save and continue. Oh, sorry, you need to enter an address. Let's enter my email address here. Done. Save and continue. Okay. Sensitive add or remove scope. Let's select all of them and update and save and continue. Then save and continue. These are the informations. All of the steps have done successfully. Back to the dashboard and publish app. Okay, now let's go to credential. So here let's create credentials. OAuth client ID, application time, web application, name, life mode, your store name, for example, and add URL. This one, authorized redirect URLs. Press add URL, and this is the link that you can copy paste from your Selldone dashboard settings, flow, login methods, and into here custom OAuth client, and select and copy this link. Let's paste here. Okay, and create. Okay, we can copy paste these information in order to use on this page. Let's copy the client ID and the client secret here. Okay, client ID, client secret, and save. Now your login page with Google should be fully white label. Let's give it a try. Oh, no, let's go to here. Something. Login to store, login with Google. Okay, sign in to lifemode.eu. Again, there is no name of Selldone, logo of Selldone. Continue. Now you see your store logo.